Hello everyone, myself Dr. Payal Babar, Ayurvedacharya. I am the Chief Consultant at AtharvaShree Clinic. I am bringing you a new series called Mythbusters Ayurveda, where I will be busting the prevalent myths that we believe in our society regarding Ayurveda. I'd like to start with a particularly interesting one. It goes as Ayurveda is not a science. There is a school of thought that believes that Ayurveda is a proto-science or a pseudo-science. I'm going to present you with a number of facts so that you can decide for yourself whether it can be called a science or not. The word Ayurved in itself in Sanskrit means the science of life. It is aimed at swasthasya swasthya rashmnam and aturasya vikar rashmnam, which means that it is aimed at preserving and protecting the health of healthy people and curing or treating diseases of the unhealthy ones. When you read Ayurveda from the classics and the scriptures, you will realize that it has a variety of description that has been intricately and very well put, ranging from a various number of topics such as how did the universe come into existence, how did the human body form right from its fetal condition, what is the human body made of, what are the different organs, what are the different tissues, what are the different systems. They have even mentioned the dimensions of each. Then you will also find what are their functions, how do they work. You will find the description about an ideal lifestyle, about what foods to consume based on their source, what are they going to do to your body, who should consume them, who should not consume them, what are the effects of these foods on your body. You'll also find descriptions about a number of diseases, their types, their signs and symptoms, the causative factors, their pathophysiology, their prognosis, their examination and diagnosis, whether it is treatable or not, what kinds of treatment are to be given, the medicines, the herbs, the drugs, the herbomineral drugs, the panchakarma treatments, even a few surgeries. You can find various other such descriptions about many things in Ayurveda. The reason that Ayurveda is not accepted as a science is because it has not been revalidated or retested according to modern parameters. That is no reason to believe that it is not scientific in any way. The principles of Ayurveda have been applicable on patients since thousands of years. They can still be used to treat patients in today's times as well. When these descriptions are still relevant in today's times, I think it is reason enough to believe that Ayurveda is scientific. That is one myth busted. I'll see you again next week with another myth. Until then, stay home, stay safe.